Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to do the invisible part method for the crochet braids, but one thing that I learned, and I learned this the hard way, so if you want your hair to fall to the right, you are going to insert the crochet needle from the right, and you're gonna put the hair on the left, and then you're gonna, why did I just do that? This install is just not going how I want it to go. So if you wanted the hair to fall to the left, then you're going to insert the crochet needle from the left so it can fall to the left, if that makes sense. Because I was like, I don't want it to go to the right, and then once I discovered that, it was too late because I only got one pack of hair left and I got all this side to do over here. So I'm like, okay, it's going this way, so if I have enough hair left, I'm gonna take this out, because you know this part is looking cool, but this don't look cool. So I'm like, I cannot have that. So I actually wanted the hair to fall this way because I was going for a middle part, but however, it's not gonna work like that. So I'm probably gonna try to do that over here, because y'all know I love to do a side part, but we gonna make it work. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, so we are going to try this again with the invisible part method. So what I'm going to do, I put the latch hook through my hair, then I put the hair on there, I pulled it through, but I'm only going to pull one piece through, and sometimes I knotted it 1 to 2, maybe 3 to 4 times, and other times I just knotted it once, because by this time I was over it, because this was like the second time I was starting this over, so I was ready to be done doing my hair. So it's not the perfect invisible part, but it was my first time trying it, and you know, like when you do things more than once, it gets better. It just takes practice. So from now on, I will be trying the invisible method because it just looks better, it looks more neater, it looks cleaner. So you guys, let me know, did y'all try the invisible method before? Did you like it? Did you struggle with it? Do you even do it? Let me know in the comments. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product, and as you can see, my little toddler was trying to make her appearance, but I missed a few pieces. As you can see my braid right there, but it's not the neatest. It was my first time trying it, but there you go. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and in today's video I will be installing Lulutress's Water Wave in 18 inches, and this is in the color TB130. So y'all just stay tuned to see how I install this. Look, this hair is pretty big. I was gonna cut it, but you know, like my last 2 installs like this, I was like, I butchered the heck out of that hair. So I was like, you know what, nope, I'm not gonna even do it. So what I did is I just cut the frizzy hairs out as best as I could. You know, I cut out anything that was frizzy, any knots, because I got knots when I was pulling the hair through. It just was getting stuck to each other. But guys, y'all, yeah, this hair was much bigger than this. I took a few pieces out in the back, and I took a few pieces up here, because in the back I didn't knot as much, and I didn't pull the hair apart in the back, so it was easier to take a loose. But up here I knotted a bit more, and y'all, let's see my struggle with the first time me trying to do the invisible method. Oh my gosh, y'all, let's see. But as y'all saw, I don't know if I'm gonna insert this before or after I do the install, but it looks so much more nicer and neater when you do the invisible method. I just had to get down how I was gonna do it, you know. So I explained that in there, but this is my, you know, try at an invisible method, and I did one over here, but y'all know I like to do this like side part. I love to do it like this, but y'all stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please go check out my other videos. Go follow your girl over on Instagram at Amo for show, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.